Sir, conclude the talk. You are also going to end up conclude the township of this. Thank you. So within a short time, you are going to conclude the township of Diksha. How do you learn from this?
This township Diksha is some kind of desecration continuously happening in the last few years, last 5-6 years. Around 290 temples were desecrated. And in Ramatirtha, Lord Rama statue was chopped off. So this is not just about one prasad issue. Maybe it came out. Maybe this was a triggering point to initiate all this. Spiritual Diksha is a commitment for take forward the Sanatana direction is very essential for Lord within. This kind of occurrences, any kind of desecration of the temples, and such kind of occurrences should be stopped and should be addressed at a different level. And all this, keeping all this in my mind, that's what I initiated this section. This is going to be, I think, once I'm out of this, tomorrow we're going to have a declaration. Day after, what we are going ahead, what we are looking at. It's not just about Diksha, it's not just about saying something and there should be some kind of permanent measure, some permanent addressing mechanism. I think that's what we're going to unleash. That's what the roadmap which we would like to set on the day after tomorrow.
Sir, you would like to respond on this comments on yesterday and issues.
They said in such a way it was. They never said it was not adulterated. Whatever information they have on their hands, I think they commented on that. And the Honorable Supreme Court judges said that it was. They didn't say it was unadulterated. They said regarding the date there was a confusion, which will be clear. That is one aspect. But so later, I think our government will take it forward. Like what kind of violations happened in the last 5 years? It's not just about a prasad issue. Thank you.